In this video, we will see the equation of a line in the slope-intercept form. Okay, so the general equation of line in slope-intercept form is given by y equal mx plus c. Mx means m multiply x. Okay, so in this form, whenever we have mx plus c, m stands for the slope of this line, whereas c with the positive sign, it stands for the y-intercept. So this is the standard slope-intercept form of an equation of line, where m is the slope, that is the coefficient of x, and c as the y-intercept. By default, the sign is positive. Okay, if the sign is negative, we consider that sign in the y-intercept. Let's see some examples. So first equation, y equal 3x plus 5. So here the coefficient of x is 3. Hence your slope becomes 3. And the constant term is plus 5. So your y-intercept is 5 with the positive sign. Moving on to second example. But you see the coefficient of x, the number with x is minus 2. So the slope is minus 2. Okay. And the y-intercept again positive 7. So it is 7 because we generally don't write the sign when it is positive. Then in third example, when y is equal to minus 5x minus 4, if you look at it, what you see, the coefficient of x is minus 5. Hence the slope is minus 5. And the coefficient, the constant term is minus 4. By default, it's supposed to be plus, but now since it's minus 4, the y-intercept becomes minus 4. Now look at the fourth example. Y equal 5x over 2 minus 3. So if you carefully look at the coefficient of x, it is 5 divide 2. A rational number. Yes, it is possible. Okay, and the constant term is minus 3. So y-intercept is minus 3. Similarly, if you look at the next example, y is equal to x divide 7 minus 5. So in the denominator we have 7, but here we don't have anything. So it means, that means it's 1. So 1 over 7 is the slope. And the y-intercept is minus of 5. And as we go to the next example here, we just see the negative sign, minus of x. So minus x means minus. Since there is no number, so it means 1 because it's understood that we generally don't write 1 when it is multiplied by a number. Okay. And here we have plus 7 as the y-intercept. I hope now it is clear how to identify the slope and y-intercept for